Hi guys, and welcome to English Cafe Class. Today we are going to be studying school vocabulary, so everything to do with school. Remember to subscribe below and to check out our Instagram page on the channel above. Let's get started. Okay, today's video topic is school vocabulary. The boy is sad because his summer holidays have finished. But then he remembered that he gets to start school soon. School. He has a school shopping list of things to get. So he goes shopping with his mother. For the basic school materials, he needs to get paper, books, and a notebook. Okay, paper, books, notebooks. Okay, he can now check off paper because he has already bought paper and books, and he's already bought a notebook. He has everything he needs. Now, with his paper, books, and notebooks, his teacher also says he will need some tools to write with. So, for tools to write with, he will need pencils, pens, and colored pencils. Pencil, pen, colored pencils. He can now check off pencils because he has already bought pencils and pens, and he has lastly bought the colored pencils as well. So he has all three things checked off his list of tools to write with. Now, with his pencil, pens, and colored pencils, his teacher also says he will need some other stationery items. So on his other stationery items list, he needs an eraser, scissors, and he also needs a sharpener. An eraser, scissors, a sharpener. We can now check off an eraser because he has already bought an eraser, as well as scissors. He has already bought scissors as well. And lastly, a sharpener. So he has bought all three of the other stationery items. Now, with his eraser, scissors, and sharpener, his teacher also says he will need some items for storage. On his list, he has a folder, pencil case, and a backpack. So these are all the storage items he will need. Folders, pencil case, backpack. He has all of the items he can now tick off. Folders, because he has already bought the folders, pencil case, and lastly, he can tick off backpack. He now is finished his storage item list. His list is all done. He is now prepared to start school. Today is the first day of school, and he is going to meet some important people. People at school, teacher, classmates, janitor. He now feels a lot more comfortable knowing the people in his school. The teacher is now going to show the students around the classroom. Here is your classroom. In your classroom, there are objects you should know. Desk, chair, blackboard, whiteboard. computer, printer. Now that you know about your classroom, the teacher would like to show you the different places in the school. Here is your schoolyard. Schoolyard. Here is your library. Library. Here is your cafeteria. Cafeteria. Here is your gym. Gym. Let's now review all the school vocabulary. Now the boy has all of his school materials. Listen and repeat. Books. A notebook. Paper. A pencil. A pen. Colored pencils. An eraser. A sharpener. Scissors. He also has storage items for all of his school materials. Listen and repeat after me. Folders. A pencil case. A backpack. He has met the people in his school. Listen and repeat the vocabulary for a review. A teacher. Classmates. A janitor. He has learned about basic classroom objects. Listen and repeat after me. Desk. Chair. Blackboard. Whiteboard. Computer. Printer. And lastly, he now knows the places in his school. Listen and repeat. A classroom. Schoolyard. Library. Cafeteria. Gym. Congratulations! You now have a great understanding of school vocabulary. Remember, to really retain vocabulary, you need to review. So watching this video a few times will help you really absorb these new words. To help us continue making these videos, please subscribe to our channel below. Also, feel free to leave a like and a comment on what you would like to see on our next video. And please remember that we also do share tips and tricks on our Instagram at EnglishCafeClass. Follow us there if you'd like to learn more English phrases, idioms, grammar, vocabulary, and a lot more. Thank you and have a great day.